right, well, the only thing you've done since you've been on probation, it appears that you picked up new offenses and you didn't report. So, I mean, I don't hear any reason why he didn't report, other than I picked up new offenses. I knew I was going to get arrested, so I didn't report. Probation, what's your record? All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 007068, State versus DeAnthony Gordley. Can I have parties announced?
State. Robert Ramirez for Mr. Gordley, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Gordley?
Yes, correct.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? And did you understand it? Are you the same DeAnthony Tyrone Williams who was placed on, why is it listed as DeAnthony Tyrone Williams?
I was about to ask, I think it's an AKA, Judge.
So is Gordley in the same person as Williams?
Judge, so the clause number that is listed on the docket and the clause number that I put into my system brings up DeAnthony Tyrone Gordley.
Your Honor, he is, I have never seen DeAnthony Williams in this cause as far as I understand about the AK, but all the court papers I've seen have been listed as DeAnthony Gordley.
And Judge, I have on the modification of parties, it's an AKA. And I can give you a copy of this.
Okay, what is the AKA? Is Williams the AKA? Is Gordley the AKA?
William, DeAnthony Tyrone Williams.
So is he stipulating that he's DeAnthony Tyrone Williams or not?
No, Your Honor.
All right, then this will need to be set for, witnesses to be brought in to prove that he is DeAnthony Tyrone Williams. Okay. And if you want to see Miss Abrams, Miss Ferguson may have a printout for you all to prove that he is DeAnthony Williams.
I can give you that.
Unless it's got a fingerprint.
I have it.
Got the mugshot and show it to him.
Sure.
Go for the jelly. Yeah, go ahead and do that while I do this. I just want to get quicker. It's okay, just do that. No, it's slipping.
Did you?
Just go on your email and it will copy on there.
Yes, Your Honor. He acknowledges that it was an AKA, but he did not.
All right, so we're back on the record. So can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record. All right. And is DeAnthony Tyrone Williams, is that an AKA for you?
I guess it would be.
Well, no, the name that's listed on the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision is DeAnthony Tyrone Williams. So is that you? The same person that's listed in this motion to revoke? All right. You all are dim the lights over there. Hard for me to read. All right. Are you the same DeAnthony Tyrone Williams and DeAnthony Germonte Gordley, who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2025 CR 007068 for the offense of harassment of a public servant on September 15, 2025 for a period of 4 years? Is that you? All right, state.
Proceeding on violation of condition number 1, specifically the honor of the 17th day of November 2025 in Berry County, Texas. The defendant, DeAnthony Tyrone Williams, committed the offense of reckless driving in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. We'll also be proceeding on another violation of condition number 1, specifically that on or about the 6th day of June 2026 in Berry County, Texas. The defendant, DeAnthony Tyrone Williams, committed the offense of resisting arrest in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. Judge will also be proceeding on a violation of condition number 1, specifically that on or about the 6th day of June 2026 in Berry County, Texas. The defendant, DeAnthony Tyrone Williams, committed the offense of failure to ID in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. And Judge, the state would like to make an oral motion to amend the amended motion, motion to revoke. On violation condition number 4, we would ask that the month of February be struck out.
Any objection?
No. Your Honor.
Right.
In that case, Judge.
That will be granted then.
Thank you, Judge. We will also be proceeding on violation of condition number 4, simply that in Berry County, Texas, the defendant, DeAnthony Tyrone Williams, did then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of March, April, and May 2026, in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? All right.
And say we'll waive the remaining allegations.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 1, 1, 1, and 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 1, 1, 1, and 4? Court will find 1, 1, 1, and 4 true. Are there any witnesses?
No witnesses for the state, Judge.
Defense, any witnesses?
My client, Your Honor.
Could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, lower your hand, state your name for the record. All right, I'm sorry, defense, you may proceed.
Excuse me.
How old are you, Mr. Gordley?
27.
And are you married?
Yes.
When did you get married?
August 18th.
Okay. So what are you asking of the court?
Wanted to reinstate it.
Is that microphone on?
All right, you have bass in your voice. Lift your voice so that the court reporter can hear.
Want to be reinstated.
Or do you recognize that the court, you just recognized before the court that you acknowledge that you committed 3 new law violations? In addition to failing to report 3 months in a row. First of all, let's take up the failure to report. What are the circumstances that led you to make the decision not to report in the months of March, April, and May?
Due to the motion to revoke my probation or the MCR, I didn't report because of the fact that they gave me a new charge. I don't even know what it is, but basically got dismissed.
You talking about the burglary habitation?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
That got dismissed. So I didn't go report, honestly, because I thought if I would report, I would get locked up. And I was trying to avoid getting locked up, fix everything else that was going on.
Do you recognize now that by failing to report, you can't even be in compliance with probation? And if you're asking the court to extend you on, reinstate you on probation, the number one thing you got to do is report, right?
So,
And the second thing you got to do is not commit any new violations, correct?
Sure.
But what can you tell the court about your plan to comply with both of those requirements?
if I was to be reinstated, I would basically do everything that I need to do. And if I was to mess up, I will take any consequence. Anyone. So help me God.
And why should your saying this now be any different from what the conditions that were imposed back in November 2025?
Because back in 2025, I was still a loose wheel on the wagon. I didn't have everything together. Now I'm fixing all that up now. I got my family moved to Florida. All I gotta do, get out and do the demolition and fix everything up from there.
The what?
The demolition,
What demolition?
we bought property and in Florida, sort of on like Orlando to, I forgot what she said, but. And we just basically gotta go up there and get everything done and put the building on there or the trailer for whatever.
When you're saying your family, what comprises your family that's planning to move to Florida?
Wife, daughter, dog.
Is there anything else you want to tell the court?
I just want to apologize for messing up. When I did mess up, could have fixed it then. I chose to fix it now. And then that's on me. So I accept whatever happens.
The probation recommended you go into ISF too, which is intermediate sanctioned facility, which is short of a TDC sentence. What would you say to the court about that recommendation?
I would rather do that than go to TDC. That's, I know for sure. If I go to TDC, I'm gonna come back changed. It ain't gonna be anything I know for a fact because family got a long line of history and I'm trying to stop it right here if I'm able to do it.
Is there anything else you wish to tell the court?
Thank you.
All right, well, the only thing you've done since you've been on probation, it appears that you picked up new offenses and you didn't report. So, I mean, I don't hear any reason why he didn't report other than I picked up new offenses. I knew I was going to get arrested, so I didn't report. Probation, what's your recommendation?
Is the local ISF and to remain in custody until he's transferred to the facility.
All right, court is going to find you guilty and revoke. State, what are you asking for?
Judge, the agreement or the prior agreement with defense counsel was 2 years. Yes, you revoked and sent the defendant to 2 years.
All right, so it doesn't appear there's an agreement because they're asking for continuation. Okay, all right, the court is going to sentence you to 2 years prison. Give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? So you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right. Good luck to you, okay? You're welcome.